Alright, welcome to Chibi Fire Alarm Test, I believe 31. I got for the pull station to keep the Edwards feel as you see before you is the 270, and I also got the EST Genesis G1F-VM, except it's not the Vigilant one that I still have. I did something to it that changes it to changes the strobe operation to private mode. So I cut, in this case, since it's the multi-candela, in the multi-candela device case, it would be J1. Not to be confused with the J1 from the early 2000s Genesis with the slight difference in appearance, which with the two jumpers and the two unique horn outputs, the H and the HOs, because the J1 only controls the horn coding on those ones. For these multi-candela ones, J1 controls the strobe operation. It allows you to select whenever the strobe either is in public mode or gives it a private mode output. So I cut the jumper, which you're about to see. So, yeah. I also noticed when testing it, the when it's doing its code 3 cycle for the strobe, the flash capacitor stops in that pause. But anyways, can you hear that flash capacitor? Now let's reset the pull station. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. Oh wait, I forgot to mention. Not only when you make this strobe private mode, it's no longer UL 1971 listed. It is now UL. When I cut that jumper, it's no longer UL 1971 listed. It is now UL where is it on the label? It is UL what the heck? UL 1638. So anyways, thank you for watching.